الله هو الحق وأنه يحيي الموتى وأنه على كل شيء قدير. Allah. He will bring you back to life. So brother, standing before the majestic, standing before Allah, standing before Al-Adlu, prepare yourself. Some people on that day will cry, and some people on that day will rejoice. وجوه يومئذ ناظرة إلى ربها ناظرة ووجوه يومئذ باسرة تظن أن يفعل بها فاكرة. Some will be happy on that day, while others are terrified. Some will be happy due to their deeds, due to their actions. So my advice, brother, do what will make you safe in front of Allah. Do what will make you safe, will save you before Allah. Do you know there are some people that He loves so much, and you know if He loves, He will never punish? No. There are some people try to be among them that He loves so much due to their actions. Be among them so you will be safe on that day, my dear brother. وَأَنفِقُوا فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ وَلَا تُلْقُوا بِأَيْدِيكُمْ إِلَى التَّهْلُكَةِ وَأَحْسِنُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُحِبُّ الْمُحْسِنِينَ. Do good. Be good. Be a good person. Help the poor. Help the needy. Do good things, and you will earn Allah's love. The day you stand before Allah, He loves you, and you know you are safe. وَالْكَاظِمِينَ الْغَيْظَ وَالْعَافِينَ عَنِ النَّاسِ وَاللَّهُ يُحِبُّ الْمُحْسِنِينَ. فآتاهم الله ثواب الدنيا وحسن ثواب الآخرة والله يحب المحسنين. He loves those who do good. فبما نقضهم ميثاقهم لعناهم وجعلنا قلوبهم قاسية يحرفون الكلم عن مواضعه ونسوا حظا مما ذكروا به ولا تزال تطلع على خائنة منهم إلا قليلا منهم. محل الشاهد فاعف عنهم واصفح إن الله يحب المحسنين. Allah loves those who do good. You do good, inshallah you will be saved the day you will be standing before the majestic. You do good, inshallah you will be saved the day you will be standing before Allah. Brother, ليس على الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جناح فيما طعموا إذا ما اتقوا وآمنوا وعملوا الصالحات ثم اتقوا وآمنوا ثم اتقوا وأحسنوا والله يحب المحسنين. So brother, be good, and inshallah it will be good over there. I repeat, be good and it will be good.